Hello everyone, what the pack here and welcome to my channel. So this is another episode of Box Break. So for this video, we're gonna open a 2023 Panini UFC Donruss blaster boxes. We have two of them. I get this from Hobby Korea. So Hobby Korea is I believe the biggest local card shop here in South Korea. They have I think 4 to 5 branches. If someone from Hobby Korea is watching, correct me if I'm wrong, around 4 branches, something like that. Majority of that is located in Seoul, and I believe they also have one in Busan. So they also have store in Kupang, the e-commerce platform here in Korea. So there, so in Kupang is where I discovered them first. I bought several. They already bought several, mostly NBA, or all of them are NBA packs. And then I discovered that they have also a website which has more complete uh, stacks of cards, and they also have UFC. So shout out to Hobby Korea. Disclaimer, this is not sponsored video, but I just want to share Hobby Korea. If you are in Korea, or you know someone from Korea and they doesn't know about Hobby Korea, let them know. And it also comes with this actually. This is a top loader with some sleeves inside it. So they always, whenever I order with them, whenever I buy cards from them, it always come with this pack of sleeves with top loaders. So shout out to them, thank you so much. Yeah, and this actually the second time I will open a UFC or MMA box. The very first time is when I open a 2022 Chronicles, and the two of these cards in front of you are my hit from each boxes, my best cards. And it's actually two Davison Figueredo, both of them from different from different backs. The first from my first box, I have the green parallel, which is number 299, and then on my second box, I get this Origins on auto. This is not numbered, but this is a red parallel. So it's I think it's a Figueredo boxes after all. So this is only the second time, because mostly if you are watching some of my videos before, it's mostly I'm more of a basketball guy. So most of my videos are about basketball cards. This is the second time that I will open a UFC, because UFC is one of after NBA, I can say that UFC is the next league that I am following. Not so my knowledge there is not so like like the NBA, but still I'm enjoying UFC. That's why I want to collect. I sip some coffee, excuse me. So without further ado, let's get down into business. But first, before I forget, don't forget to like this video, watch my other videos, like and subscribe, hit that notification bell as well to get notified on my future uploads. That means a lot. Thank you so much in advance. So let's get down into business. Let's go. Okay, so we have again 2023 Panini UFC Donruss. We have 90 cards. So it says that look for Blaster exclusive laser parallels, look for the iconic rated rookies featuring the up and coming stars of the UFC, Blaster exclusive rated rookies signature parallels. I think it's not auto cards are not guarantee, but still we have a chance. This is what we are might have. You can pause the video if you want to look further. I think let's cut it first. Let's remove the plastic so we can read it better. So it says not lots of we have parallels, usually lasers, and most of them are numbered to 99. There are some numbered to 15. Hollow purple laser, those numbered to 15 are mostly our signatures, auto cards. So that's the chase, and to be honest, I really don't have an idea what to expect, but that makes it more exciting, right? Okay, so we have 6 packs, and like 15 cards per pack. Let's open the second box. Let's have a versus again. Let's see which box. Let's see which box is better. Okay, I hope we continue our luck. We continue to be lucky. So I'm hoping we can pull a auto card, number card to 15. Let's go. So this is the box 1, this is the box 2. Let's start with the box 2, okay. So expect that a lot of cards are majority of Dandras or base. So I cannot really read it, but it's Ankalaev, Shanamali, Evloev, Julia Avila, Ferguson, Brandon Royval, Alex Perez, Kevin Gastelum, The Last Stylebender, Adesanya, Dustin Jacoby, Upside Down, Lauren Murphy, Zhang Weili, Cody. Okay, retro series. Okay, my GOAT, George St. Pierre, GSP. Maybe it's a spray. It's an auto. Is this an auto? How to do this? It's not. Oh, Jimmy Flick on purple hollow. Is the purple hollow? What you call this? Let's just check if it's numbered. It's just numbered though. Dana White's contender. Okay, so just keep it here. So this is a retro series. Quite hard. Ian Gary, McGregor, back-to-back Irish, Paul Craig, British, Darren Till, Bobby Green, oh, I forgot the center, Amanda Ribas, Usman, Another George St. Pierre. It's going to my PC, that's for sure. Carla. So Michael Chisa. Dean Thomas. Okay, first rated rookie, we have Molly McCann. First rookie. We have an insert of Kamaru Usman. This is the Untouchables. And Stairmaster, wow, I like this. Stairmasters, another insert. And this one is Conor McGregor, the Notorious. Okay. Adrian Yanez. Matthews. Corey Sanhagen. Paulo Costa. Okay, not read. It's hard to read. Manon. Chuck Liddell. Uriah Faber. Diba? Right. Volkan. Uriah Faber. Chris Daukas. Okay, Figueredo. Yeah. Alonzo. Sorry guys. This Round 3 Junior. It's hard for me to read the name actually. The Golden Red. Dominic Cruz. Oh. Okay. Marbles insert Alex Pereira, Chama, and we have Yael Rodriguez on orange laser, not numbered. Okay, Alex Pereira. I believe this is rookie. 2023 is his rookie year. So that might be a rookie insert. I'm not so sure. Let me know in the comment section below. But I'll definitely search that later on. Okay, I see an orange laser again. There's a Ryan Span. You have. I need to be quick, I think. Paddy Pimblatt. Paddy. Yeah. Mackenzie Dern. Tupuria. Nice. Rose Namajunas. Doug. Macy. It's hard for me to read, to be honest. Rich Franklin. We have Dustin. Diamond. Rafael Viziev. Brock Lesnar, former WWE superstar. Rachmanov. Wow. So Carla Esparza on our crunch time. And at the back, Glover Texera on our laser. It's not numbered. Crunch time insert. And this is a laser. Okay, last 2 packs on our second box. Said Nurmagomedov, Volkanovski, John Jones, Charmaine, Ismagulov, Juliana Pena, Tracy Cortez, Rav Font, Matt Schnell, Jennifer Mea, Stephen Thompson, the Wonder Boy, Anthony Smith. Okay, our first official authority of the Octagon insert of Dan Miragliotta. Let's put it there. Okay. set aside the parallels. So we have insert of Dominators, insert of Islam, and Chuck Liddell on purple. So last pack, we're down to our last pack. Last pack Magic, hoping for an auto or a number card. Let's get it. Hope we get it. So far we only have a rated rookie. So Brian Ortega, Alexa Grasso, Jiri Frechazka, Shevchenko, Bilal, remember the name, Marvin Vittori, Kathleen Vieira, Jack Hermanson, Tyler Santos, okay, Jessica Andrade. They use the same picture as the 2022 because I saw it on same picture in the 2022 Chronicles. Anyways, Dominic Reyes, Bryce Mitchell, an auto. This is an auto. Wow. Okay. Yeah, auto. Minion. Manon Fiorot. I mean, they need to improve their design, or it's just my eyes. It's hard for me to read actually the names in the red background, but nevertheless, I just want to share. This is my third straight, actually, on third straight of pulling an auto card in every box break. Actually, my first one is back in my demo on Ludex app. You can check that on my channel too. So this is my third time. Manon Fiorot. Wow. Gonna need to, of course, this is going to be top loaded. We hit another auto, and let's check if it's numbered. That's not. Nevertheless, we're still happy. I need to search about her later because I have no idea about her, but definitely, hopefully she's a star. It's the same time it's the same as Figueredo. I actually doesn't know him at all. There are times that I didn't watch UFC. There's years that I didn't watch UFC, and I didn't have any idea about him until I searched him after my box break, and I just discovered that he's a two-time UFC flyweight champ. He actually beat Pantoja once, and he's now in the bantamweight, I think. But I hope he go back to flyweight and challenge Pantoja. Okay, so this is an untouchable insert of Paddy Pimblett, and we have a Jon Jones on a fantasy matchup versus Chuck Liddell. So who do you think will win, Jon Jones or Chuck Liddell? So that would do it for our first box. So let's have quick recap later on. Let's hope that we can pull auto card too on our second Li Jingliang. Let's hope that we can pull auto card here too. Cejudo, Big Tom Aspinall, Brandon Moreno, Ankalaev. We have Evloev. Oh, it's almost the same. Andrea Lee, Mike Brown, Francis Ngannou. Okay, we have the Korean Zombie, happy retirement. Chan Sung Jung, Pantoja. We have Kevin Holland, Jack Shore, and first inserts, untouchable of Amanda Nunez, and wow, Charles Oliveira on our crunch time, and this is actually numbered. Okay, let's put the. This might be the best card. We might have pulled the best card in this box, but hopefully you're still looking for an auto card. But it's number 299, crunch time. Hopefully we can still pull a auto card. Let's put it on top loader first. Okay. Second pack. Shanamali, Avila, Ferguson, Val, Perez, Jimmy, Ian Gary, Juarez, Swanson, Pichel. You have Calvin, Qatar, Michael Chandler, Rosentwick. We have a fantasy matchups between Tai Tubasa and Daniel Cormier. Well, obviously Daniel Cormier will take him. We have the purple of Dustin Poirier. Let's hope for signature auto card. Let's go for it. Connor, Paul Craig, Darren Till, Bobby Green, Adrian, Yanez, Matthew, Tesha Torres, Pennington, Mateus Nikolov, Mearschart, Gerald Mearschart, Jan Shonan, Chris Weidman. Okay, first rookie, we have Randy Brown and Conor McGregor. Wow, marbles. And next is crunch time of Kamaru Usman. Nice inserts there. Last 3 packs. Okay, Paulo Costa. Let's move the large pile of these cards there. Paulo Costa, Manon Fiat, Chuck Liddell, Uriah Faber, Ryan Spahn, Shamil, Shogun Rua. We have Tibasa, Dos Anjos, Kamzat, Yana Santos, Gain. We have a retro series of Khabib Nurmagomedov, and followed by the untouchable insert of Volkanovski. Last 2 packs. Okay, let's see. Orange laser. Let's see. Grant Dawson, Paddy, Dern, Mackenzie Dern, Topuria. Kind of weird the picture they use for Topuria. So, Said Nurmagomedov, Volkanovski, Amanda Nunez, Kaikara France, Sean Blachowicz, Derek Bronson. You have Robbie Lawler. We have Geoff Neal, Charles Oliveira, and the Stairmasters of Derek Lewis for inserts. We have a retro series. Is this numbered? Matt Serra. Not numbered, but this is a retro series. Insert at the same time is laser. Okay, let's check it truly. Very beautiful looking card. Not numbered though. So, last pack magic. Let's hope we can pull an auto card. Let's hoping for an auto card. Last pack magic. John Jones, good start. Jermaine Ismagulov, sorry. I really have a hard time to read. Juliana Pena, Tracy Cortez, Brian Ortega, Alexa Grasso, Aljamain Sterling, Jillian Robertson. You have a Derek Lewis, Whittaker, Max Holloway, second rated rookie, Bo Nickel, nice. What's next? Rose Namajunas on our marbles, numbered auto. Let's go. No. So Pedro Monroe. Yeah, Pedro Monroe. This is not numbered. So basically the first the card in the first pack that we pulled, Charles Oliveira, is our best card in this first box. So I think we, between the two boxes, the box from here on my right side got the win, but nevertheless, Charles Oliveira, this is a number card. He's a great fighter. So these are the best picks or the best hits we get from two boxes of Fanini 2023 Donruss Blaster box. So let's have a quick recap. Retro series, Orange Laser, Matt Serra, Dustin Fournier on purple hollow. Then we have a Pedro Munoz, Rose Namajunas on our marbles inserts. We have a rated rookie of Bo Nickel, Derek Lewis, Stairmasters, retro series of Khabib, Untouchables of Volkanovski, Octagon marbles of Conor McGregor, Crunch Time, Kamaru Usman, another rated rookie, Randy Brown, Untouchable of Amanda Nunez. In our first break, we have fantasy matchups, John Jones and Lidl, the Untouchable, Paddy. We have Islam and Authority of the Octagon, Dan Miragliotta, Chama, Marvel's inserts of Alex Pereira, Stairmasters of Conor McGregor. We have Untouchables of Kamaru Usman. We have only one rated rookie here of Molly McCann. And Retro Series of my GOAT, George St. Pierre. We have Chuck Liddell on purple. On our orange laser, we have Yair Rodriguez. Crunch Time. Is this not numbered? Why is it's not numbered? Maybe only the violet, if it's violet here. But, or purple. So this is not numbered. Crunch Time, Glover Texera, and Crunch Time of inserts of Carla Esparza. And we have Jimmy Plick on purple. So third time we pulled a auto card, not bad. Third straight actually. So if you enjoy this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe as well, and hit that notification bell to get updated on my future uploads. I hope you enjoy this video. Maybe on my this might be not the last time, but after this, I'm looking forward to open more of basketball cards. But so far I'm enjoying it. If given a chance, I've find a very affordable price for a UFC box. Why not? So far I'm enjoying it, and but as I will compare the two. My first time to open a UFC box, enjoy it more. The 2022 Chronicles. I think I feel like it's much better than it's for me personally, just a personal opinion. The 2022 Panini UFC Chronicles much better than the Donruss, but nevertheless I enjoy it. Thank you so much if you're still in this part of this video. Thank you for staying. Thank you so much. If you have thoughts about this and opinions, I appreciate if you do comment down below. Yeah, thank you so much. I hope you're having a good one. Take care always. Always choose to be happy and enjoy the hobby. Thank you so much, and that would do it. See you on my next video. Please like and subscribe. What the pack. Peace out. Bye.